Hello, what crochet bride? Where? Please, where? You see this bracelet? You see it? See, baby, if you want to live for big olive, no do Shakara. Divina, tu vas vengo no mo yo man, casi a po ya ngele pa mo dan, ambo te que chachu ano toque chachu ano toque chachu. Your body na ebano. Your body na ebano. Yeah, yo.
Ninja flavor.
Internationally. Spending radically. You say, okay. Yo, Shakara baby is back. With new things, okay? With new things. Okay. As you can see by the title, I bring you this gorgeous, very good 26 inches of goddess crochet bride. What? But hello, what crochet bride? Where? Please, where is the crochet bride? Who's going to tell that this is the crochet bride? I know it's not crochet bride. Yeah, in another video with you, girl, Shakara baby, okay? This hair is sent to me by Divatress. They sent me this hair on October. I'm very sorry, but hello, this is the tutorial, okay? From October, I will show you everything in the video. And okay, they sent me 10 goddess packs, and I only use 6 packs. I need this make it iron. So better than squat. Remind me this 4 pack. They're so huge, they're so big. You can see these 4 packs. Okay, and hello, it took me 1 hour and a half to install this here, because here I do individual ones. Yes, see, I can see nothing. Yeah, that is it from Divatress. I will leave Divatress, the link of it here down below. Divatress website down below, Divatress Instagram down below for you to go and check it out. Wait a minute. Okay. Now you're going to talk about my contact lenses and my lashes. My lashes and my contact lenses, they are for colorcl.com. This is the classic / dramatic, because I love this so much. Therefore, colorcl.com. I will leave the link down below for the contact lenses and lashes, and the name of the contact lenses and the name of the lashes too. You have my discount code. Use my discount code JK10 for you to have 10% off of each of these. Okay, and they are very affordable. Okay, and yeah, let's talk about other thing. Okay, you see this bracelet? You see it? That is so bomb. I'm so in love. Okay, let me be honest. I think this is the men's section. This is for men, but I chose this because I like it. They're for women too, and I chose these ones. They're so cute. Oh my god, you see, it's very strong. It's super. Let me talk about it. This everything come here, okay, and they're going to send you to this pen. You see, is the name of the company is SL Design Fashion. You can go to sldesignfashion.com. They send you a letter here for me. Thank you. Okay, it comes in this carton, and it comes here with this and all that. Let me show you there. You have this, okay, carrying for your jewelry. You see, you have everything here, everything, I will leave her Instagram down below and her website down below, and it's very affordable. I will leave everything down below, the links and all that. Okay, you have a discount code. Okay, you have a, I got you, okay? You have a discount code. The discount code is Divatress10 for you to have some cash off. Cash off, yeah, cash off. So go, I will leave everything down below. They're so cute. Look at this, look at this. I love the color, it's too much, sis. Just lucido, I love them, sis. I love it. Okay guys, I'm going. I think I talked too much. This here is from divatress.com. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Boom. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget, here, speak more louder than words. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm so sorry, Divatress. I'm so sorry. Trust me, I'm so sorry. You know, I told you before that at that time I'm not feeling fine. I'm not in the mood, and I have my personal problems. Then I move off. Yes. Okay, I have this packet from the 12th of October of 2018. You can see there. Okay, let me focus. You can see there. Yes. Okay, Divatress sent me this huge box here. As you can see by the thumbnail, you know what you're going to see. And here I have this packet is huge. Okay, this have already this. And send me this wake up. I love it. I forgot I have it here. This wake up. This crochet wake up, I love this crochet wake up so much. So much. Oh my goodness. Okay, you can see. I will show you how I will do wig with this very soon. Okay? And this is the hair. This is for hair. This is the hair. How much buckets I have here? I don't know because I don't count it. No, I have, okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, 10 packets. Here, you ready? But I have 10 packets of this here. It comes like this. It's really long. Okay, 26 inches. This is the Zoey braiding coolly 26 inches, color 30. Okay, you can see it here. FreeTress right here from Divatress. Okay, you have all these colors. You can choose all these colors. You see, and you have more styles. You have more crochet, more stitches, everything is there. I will leave the links down below, okay?